Welcome back. Now we will see how we can implement this switch statement using a simple example. In our example, we saw that a value of between 1, 2 or 3 is going to be entered, and if the user enters value 1, it has to display that the user has one laptop. If he enters 2, it has to show he has one PC, and if it is 3, he has to display he has one PDA. Otherwise the program should display error message telling that wrong input or something like that. So this is what we are supposed to have. For this purpose, we will have two text boxes and two buttons we will have. One is for processing, one is for exit, and two labels we will have, and two text boxes. So one is for input and the other one is for displaying the message. The first text box we will say description for that as enter a value. It's going to be a lottery, something like that. And second is going to be results. We will call it results. So the first one we will give a name for the text box, a value text box, and the second one is the results text box. We will call it as a results text box. Let it be a little bigger. Results text box. The second one is we will have a process button, and an exit button we will have. Let's give a text for this exit, and this is process. Let's give this form a title called lottery MIT 22033, and the maximize box we don't need, and minimize we don't need. We will make it a little compact so that it looks good. Bring a little low. Yeah, it's fine. And we will set the tab order. We're going to have here, and here, nowhere else. And for this tab stop is false, because we don't want, when we are going to press the tab key, we don't have to have it focusing here. Okay, we will go to the code and see how we can proceed. We will see first how we can input as a number, right? So we'll say int value, int entered value, we call it entered value, equal to int dot parse value text box dot text. Okay, and string message equal empty. Okay, now we will have this switch statement, and we are going to check this entered value. So case first one is number one, and we are going to display a message as message equals you have won a laptop. You have won a laptop. Okay, we are breaking. Second is a PC. Case 2 message equal you have won a PC, personal computer. Fine, break. Third one, case 3 message equals you have one PDA, personal digital assistant, break. Okay, default, if the person does not enter any of these values 1, 2 or 3, we will give a message you lost, you suffer lost, bad luck. Next time. It's lengthy, isn't it? Okay, we will make it shorter. Lost, bad luck next time. Okay, and we are going to show this message to the user. The text box, the other text box name is results text box, right? So results text box dot text equal message. Fine. Why is that any issues? Expected one, here it goes. Okay, fine. So we will run the project and see one, enter 1 and process, you have on a laptop. Enter 2, you have on a PC. Enter 3, you have on a PDA. Okay, and enter 5, lost. So the code works, right? So if he enters 1, it shows you have on a laptop. If he enters 2, you have on a PC. If he enters 3, you have on a PDA. If you enter something else, lost, bad luck next time. So it works. This is how we implement the switch statement. This is an example of how we can use it with a simple variations. Let me close this and we will move on to see how we can make it as a text value, right? So if you enter, if you have made this as a string value, you don't have to have this passed, right? You don't need to pass it. Also here you have to make it as within double quotes, meaning it is a text value, string value. Okay, let's run this. 1, it works. 2, fine. 3, great. If you enter something else, lost, it works, right? This is the difference between the text value and numeric values. Thank you so much for watching this, and please practice this in your free time. Thank you so much.